So why did I return the Luna Ultra? I returned it yesterday to actually buy the Creator combo. So I noticed that the camera was dying, I was using it a lot, and I wanted some extra battery life out of it. And I started looking, and these batteries are like between $50 to $80. And then I noticed that I wanted the wide lens and another $50. And then I was using the Insta360 Air mic, which was great. It was small, compact, but then it had a proprietary charger. So I was like, let me upgrade to the Mic Pro. So instead of doing all that, I just went and returned it and I bought the Creator combo. So the Creator combo comes with the wide lens, which is on right now. It's on it. The Insta360 Mic Pro mic, which I have right here, boomed over. So that's what I'm actually using for the audio for this video. And it comes with the charger. Where's the charger? Oh, here it is. The extra battery charger. So I got 3 extra accessories that I wanted to buy that would add up to the same amount. I got a better microphone with internal recording, and it doesn't have a proprietary charger like the Air, so you can charge it with USB-C. And I'm actually trying to figure out how I can plug this into my boom mic here, so that way I can just use a boom mic and it'll be wirelessly. But I'm still working on that. I'm gonna go buy a piece today at Best Buy to actually put that together. But yeah, if you want to see what it looks like, let me zoom in and let me show you real quick. So there's the mic there. And look at how cool is this, man? This is crazy that we are able to zoom in. Look at 3x. There's the mic there and it's pointed down. And this is the audio that you're getting from it right now. I actually have it on this little mount here that I had for my iPhone. So it's magnetized to the iPhone MagSafe ring from that mount. But now let's zoom back out. And if you frame it just right, then you don't see it. And then I just 3D printed this on Maker World. But this is cool because this lets you mount the whole Luna Ultra right there with the button facing forward, and it's just like a little like base for it. But it also works to hold the remote too. So I usually just throw the remote in there when I'm recording, and now I get this. So yeah, so I returned the Luna Ultra, the standard one, and I bought the Creator Combo one. I wanted all the extra accessories, and one of the biggest things that made me buy the Luna Ultra versus the Pocket 4P, which I already own. I actually sold it like last week, was because I wasn't using it as much as I've used the Luna, and it's just way too much stuff to carry with the Pocket 4P. I had the ND filters, I had the wide lens, and once you take off the ND filters, there's no way to put them. On the Luna Ultra, look, I got my NDs inside of here. I got a slot for my wide angle lens right here, and then I'm ready to go. All this thing fits. This fits with the battery charger, so you got battery, NDs. I got the mic now on the top that you can clip on to the actual case. So this whole thing holds everything you'll need for this camera, and that's kind of what made me want to stick with the Luna. It's more versatile for shooting, and the image quality is kind of the same. I don't feel like it's a big difference between the two. Yeah, you got a crazy amount of dynamic range on the Pocket 4P, which it does look nice in that D-Log 2, but you have to shoot everything in the D-Log 2, and it gets really annoying to switch between D-Log 2 and then going back to D-Log just to be able to use the tight telephoto lens. So it's just not fun to shoot, I'll be honest. Even the image quality is better than the Luna image quality is perfectly fine in iLog. With these last 3 upgrades that they did, now we got color recovery. The remote is more stable, so you're not losing connection as much. And it has everything that you need to shoot creatively with it. And I feel like they gave it to you at a good cost, good budget, and it's here in the US. So could buy it right away at Best Buy. Just bought this one yesterday. So just want to make a quick video, let you know exactly what you get in the Creator Combo, which is you get the battery pack value at like not 100, $60. You get the wide angle lens, which is on here right now, another $50 to $60. And you get the Mic Pro, which is $100 value. So you get a lot. And then you get this case, which I didn't get this case on the standard combo. So now I got a nice case, all 3 accessories I wanted. And yeah, go buy yourself a Luna Ultra.